Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure you have the following tools on hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx T8 security screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening your PS5 without causing any damage. First, make sure your console is powered off and unplugged from the wall. Lay the PS5 on a soft, static-free surface to avoid scratches. Next, carefully remove the side panels. Use the plastic pry tool to gently lift the panels from the edges, starting from the bottom. This should come off without too much force. Once you have the panels removed, locate the screws holding the metal casing in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws and set them aside in a safe place. Remember, keeping track of your screws is crucial. You'll need to put them back in the same spots later. Now that the casing is off, locate the HDMI port on the motherboard. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the area for dust or debris. If you find any, use a can of compressed air to clean it out gently. This can help improve connection issues. Next, you'll need to unscrew the HDMI port from the motherboard. Here, the Torx T8 security screwdriver comes into play. Carefully remove the screws securing the HDMI port. If you don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. After the screws are removed, gently pull the HDMI port away from the motherboard. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. If the port is stuck, you may need to wiggle it gently while pulling. Now it's time to install the new HDMI port. Align it with the existing holes on the motherboard, and carefully press it into place. Use the Torx T8 screwdriver to secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's snug, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the port. Before reassembling your console, it's a good idea to test the connection. Plug in your PS5 and connect it to a TV to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you'd rather have a professional handle this, keep in mind we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done. If everything is working, you can proceed to reassemble the PS5. Place the metal casing back on and secure it with the Phillips screws. Finally, reattach the side panels by aligning them properly and pressing them back into place until you hear a click. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the HDMI port on your PS5. If you encounter any issues or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you have all the information before proceeding with any services. Remember, no calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.